and it is Finding Ferdinand. Ferdinand. Oh my gosh, what is it? It's made in Taiwan, so we know that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is for the last Ipsy of the year, and it is for my December Ipsy, and let me tell you, I am in love with this bag. So this is the bag for December. How beautiful is that? I mean, I love anything so sparkly, so pretty, and it has this little fringe zipper, and the back is like a leathery type of a look. It is so sleek, so pretty, and great to take to your holiday parties, and it is just so pretty. And I do love anything glittery and sparkly and so pretty. As you can tell, my lids have a sparkly glittery green liner, and if you want to see the video on this, it will be coming out soon, or it's already out. If it's already out, I will leave it in the eye above or in my description, but do go and check that out if it's out. If not, it will be out this week, hopefully. But yeah, do watch out for it because I love this look and you will love the video. It's easy and you just have to be patient, but it's easy. Anyways, back to the bag. So the bag is so pretty, but let's go ahead and see what I got. This bag. Ipsy, this was a great way to end the year. The bag is gorgeous. Also on the inside they have this like pink, I guess it's the Ipsy pink color for the inside liner. And of course, you always get this card, and it says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. So that's what the card says. So basically, this is just a holiday bag, and I am excited. So the first thing I see is in this package right here from Finding Ferdinand, and it is a blush, and it is in the color Skinny Dip. And yeah, it's really interesting that they have all the details right on the package like that. That's pretty cool. Let me just go ahead and get right into it. That's a really pretty color. It is the color Skinny Dip. So that's the color right there. Let me just swatch it for you. And you can see it on my skin. That's a really pretty color. I really like it. It's a nice pretty pink. Okay, let's keep it moving. The next item I see is this R+CO High Dive Moisture Shine Cream, and I believe that this is for your hair. So it basically works as a leave-in conditioner and a styling cream, I guess. So that's what that is. Let's see how it smells, because hair stuff always smells so nice. Oh yeah, that smells nice. So that's that. Next I have this lip fondant. I'll open it up. Wait, why are you guys so hard to open? Like, I think it's like when you're super excited to get these things and then you're like, I just want it to open. So maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's me. So I guess the brand is Half Caked. I've never heard of it before. And the color is Power Trip. So let's see how that looks. That's a pretty color. It's like a really pretty brownish red. Yeah, so that's the color. It's the color Power Trip. Next I have this brush. I love when I get brushes. This is from the brand F.A.R.A.H and it is their 35E brush. I'm assuming this is just a nice blending brush. This is so pretty, so soft, and it has this little grip area right there, and it's gold. It's just, it's so pretty. It's so nice and sleek. I love the way it looks, and it seems like it's just a blending brush, and this will be great to use. I love when I get brushes. You guys know every time in Ipsy when I get brushes, I love it, especially because they're so pretty like this. It's just beautiful. Okay, next I have this Take the Home Bronzer by THEBALM, and it is in the color Greg. This is like a good like light contour type of color for me, I think. Let me swatch it for you. So I don't know if you can really see it. I feel like my lights are a little too bright. Let me put it next to the red. I don't know if you can see it better if it's next to the red. I don't think it makes a difference. It's pretty close to, yeah, I don't know if you can really tell, but it's pretty close to my skin color. I can always use it as a shadow too, so I do like that. And last but not least, I got this nail polish from Trust Fund Beauty, and I love their nail polishes. I have, I think, like 2 or 3 of them already. I think I have this color. I do have this color. 0 Carbs, but I think it's so pretty. I think I have this color. I'm not really sure. I love their packaging. I love the design of their packaging. I think it's so pretty. They have like this goldish kind of like a thing for the name, if you can see that. It's so pretty. But it is the color 0 Carbs. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous like lavender color. So I will definitely be using this. And that's it, you guys. Yeah, so that's it, you guys, for my bag, and I am so happy with everything I got. I usually am very happy with what I get from Ipsy because I do love to grow my makeup collection, so I get to try different things and see if I really like it, so I really like that about Ipsy. And I do get some repeat stuff, but I haven't gotten too many, which is great, and I especially love it when I get brushes because it definitely grows my brush collection, and they give you really nice brushes, so I love that. I think for this year, Ipsy was really amazing, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. I did an Ipsy for every single month this year, even though some of them were kind of late. Even this one is a little late, but I do enjoy doing these videos for you guys. So if you do like to see more Ipsy videos, please leave a comment below and let me know that you love my Ipsy videos, or I'll try to do less Ipsy videos for next year. Just let me know. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys so much. Bye! I feel like I got a lot of items. I got 1, 2, 3, 4,